Hi, this is the BlueLine we have for sale, completely rebuilt. If you want to come in a little closer, I'll show you some things. I got it set up to run. It's the inside. I took the cover off for you. You see pretty much all the hoses. Heat exchanger's been completely disassembled. The engine's completely been gone through. Most of the parts have been powder coated. The blower's been gone through, hand painted, new bottles, new air cleaner, new AMS oil in the unit. The waste tank, the big 150-gallon one, that's all been powder coated. It's got 2 filters in there that are in good shape. And it's got the pre-filter box over here that you can get at the trap. See, it's nice and clean like new. Okay, well, I'm going to start it up for you. It's got a garden hose hooked to it. I'm just running out of a gas can, as you can see. It's fuel injected, so all you do is just turn the key. There's no choke or anything. Starts right up. That's normal how it registers what RPM it's at. Brings it up to high RPM, gets the fuel flowing, then it goes back down to high. It's got 3 different speeds. Upholstery, single wand, and dual wand. Chemical injection's been all rebuilt. You want to see that? When I prime it, pegs right to the top. These are all stainless steel valves, not the old brass ones. This has all been cleaned, disassembled, new filters, new check valves. The bypass has all been replaced, new filters, new orifice. You've got a brand new plate there. I got the old one that goes with it, but it was kind of nasty looking, so you got a brand new BlueLine serial number plate on it. So we'll go ahead and speed it up to upholstery. A single wand speed, double wand. basically like a brand new machine. These are over 30,000 brand new. Got a number 5 blower, nice and hot, got a catalytic converter, switch the water pump, the heating system off, for water restoration. Set up for a transfer pump. We have a fresh water tank, wired for a waste tank and auxiliary like if you have an extra fuel pump to use. So any questions, give me a call. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to have a brand new machine every time.